lenses with great water, dirt, dust, scratch, and smudge resistance. Choose Crizal.
This is my little bitty girl that I'm keeping, the little chocolate girl. She's got real fluffy, look at that fluffy hair. She don't seem to have any undercoat, just long, fluffy hair. Bullet's the dad, Kiss is the mom, and this is the first pup I've kept from Kiss. Now, what's wrong with that old radio? It's supposed to have music on it. Yeah. But the music is gone and commercials are on. That gets them used to all kinds of noises. And she's going to be probably around 4.5 pounds. Here comes the music. So we like the music. Don't. You want to push that little bear off? Huh? You want to turn around this way? Yeah. This is my sugar. My little sugar. Sugar and spice. Sugar and spice. She's got just a touch of white on her chest. And on, well, turn around and look at me. On her bottom of her chin, she's got a little touch of white. And on the tips of her toes, is just a tiny bit in the front and a tiny bit in the back. She's a dark chocolate. And her ears are going up too, aren't they? Yeah. They're so sweet. All of Kiss's puppies this time, Bullet's the dad, and they're super duper sweet. Yeah. They want to be petted and held and loved on. And I have to watch them sometimes. They just come to me and they'll just walk off the edge of something just to get to me. You have to watch them. Yeah, because babies don't bounce too good. No, not very well at all. You ready to go to bed, little girl? Huh? You ready to go to bed? I think we